perfect time. Ugh. What's up, everybody? On today's video, we're tired of this janky ass yellow light, and it's time to put some LEDs in your 350Z. Holla if you with me. And you might be wondering, why is he wearing glasses at night? Because I'm just that damn cool. Let's get into this. My friend Motordyne says that you can use just a regular old card, get up in there, work it out, pop this guy open. Oh, here. Well, damn. All right. Wasn't expecting that, but here we are. Next step, we're obviously gonna turn it off for sure. It's probably hot as hell, so don't laugh if I burn myself, y'all. You just gotta pull that thing out. Oh, it's hot as hell. Ooh, it's like bacon. All right, we just gotta pull it out, thug it out, just for the YouTube squad. Okay, so we're gonna let that cool off. Might as well turn that one off in the meantime. We'll come right back with an update. So we're gonna be using these Psycho Light lights. Hopefully they do the job for us. I'm expecting it to be a nice, light, white, bright tonight. I don't know if you guys can see it, but no lie, burnt the hell out of my fingers. Oh my God, that is in there like swimwear on chin hair. Wow. I got big hands, yes, but still, this should not be this hard.
That's what she said.
The Nissan. Okay. So new technique, guys. I went from the back, pulled down right here, and now I got one side free. It's like dangling, boom, bap, come back, snap.
My man.
1 out of 2. The f. And just like that, good as new. We're gonna pop this back in here like so. And voila. One side done. Do the same thing to the other side. You'll have a whole new interior. And there we have it, folks. We are fully installed. Let's see how this thing looks from the driver's seat position. So there you have it, folks. If nothing else, I hope you learned how not to install these things. But more than that, I hope you guys did learn how to install them. Should be the exact same thing for a G35. So you guys let me know in the comments the trials and tribulations you guys ran into, whether or not this was helpful for you. And like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll be back again. I'll catch you guys on the next one.